Best deals.
1. Yogurt Maker. With its fully automatic feature, the Yogurt Maker for home just needs you to plug it in to start making yogurt or natto and rice wine. Other great sources of probiotics. Features a food-grade stainless steel pot to effectively prevent the growth of harmful bacteria, making it the safest. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Roti Maker. Can not only be used to make roti but also can be used to make paranthas, dosa, omelette, chilla, khakras, manufactured using the finest and smoothest non-stick material. So you do not need to worry about the rusting. Made with a high-quality stainless steel, it also prevents the multi-maker from any external damage or erosion. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Dosa Maker. Effortlessly adjust cooking time and dosa thickness using intuitive touch controls. Automatic safety cutoff feature provides added protection after 3 minutes of idle time. Compact and portable design seamlessly fits in any kitchen space. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Air Fryer. Designed with style and practicality to give you a larger basket for cooking while making it compact enough to seamlessly fit into any kitchen. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Deep Fryer. Make delicious and tasty French fries, onion rings and more with this fun-sized deep fryer. Adjustable temperature control provides easy, precise cooking for a variety of fried foods. With a convenient viewing window. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Electric Rice Cooker. Features an energy-saving smart algorithm that automatically detects the grain type and internal temperature and automatic keep warm mode, featuring a non-stick inner pot with superior coating, detachable inner lid and excess water drainage tray. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Pop-up Toaster. Comes with 7 toasting settings for toasting breads from mild to dark brown. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Stackable Cookware. Enables you to prepare a variety of delicious food in your microwave, from a simple poached egg right up to a complete family meal. All of the products in the range have been designed with convenience in mind. Features a spaghetti portion guide, a water level indicator, easy carry edges and integrated colander. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Electric Pan. Non-stick dosa tawa ensures a hassle-free cooking experience, making it a sought-after choice. Cleanup made easy with a removable drip tray that collects crumbs and oil. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Electric Rice Cooker. With adjustable power settings is the perfect solution for any kitchen. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a beginner cook. With 2 distinct power levels of 400 watts and 800 watts, you can easily adjust the temperature to suit a wide range of recipes. Experience hassle-free cleaning and maintenance with the non-stick surface. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Waffle Maker. The heating plate opens to 90 degrees, providing convenient access for assembling and removing your waffles. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Air Fryer. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Pop-up Toaster. Equipped with an extra wide slot, designed to accommodate bread of various thicknesses. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Air Fryer. With a 4.5-liter basket, this air fryer offers ample space for preparing meals, making it perfect for family-sized portions or cooking multiple servings at once. The non-stick basket ensures food doesn't stick, making cleanup a breeze and enhancing your cooking experience. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Electric Pot. Heats up quickly and allows food to retain its original flavor, supports all types of cooking, which can cook pasta, soup, oatmeal, porridge, fried steak or eggs, has food-grade non-stick coating that prevents food from sticking to the pot and is easy to clean for healthy cooking of every dish. The non-slip handle and bottom design prevents the pot from slipping out of your hand or off the table. The visual glass lid allows you to see the food cooking in the hot pot, and the steam vent on the glass lid releases the heat inside the electric pot. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Electric Egg Boiler. Achieve your preferred egg texture with precision using the included measuring cup. With 3 water levels, soft, medium, and hard, you can customize each egg to perfection. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Food dehydrator. Designed to circulate heated air across the ingredients to dry them slowly and naturally, locking in flavor and nutrients and keeping them tasty for longer. Ideal for vegetables, fruits, meats, fish, herbs, yogurt and bread. Create beef jerky, banana chips, dried fruits, fruit roll-ups and more. Dehydrate and preserve a range of foods quickly and easily. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Air fryers. Easily adjust the temperature between 60-200 for each dish, ensuring the perfect cook every time. Tailor the heat to different ingredients. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Electric egg boiler. User-friendly egg boiler has a built-in auto shut-off feature that turns it off as soon as the egg is boiled and the LED indicator tells when the boil is done. Comes with detachable parts that make it extremely easy to clean and wash with detergent and a sponge. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Roaster. The coffee roaster can roast large capacity coffee beans up to 750 grams. 45-degree scope make baking more uniform and efficiency. The material of non-stick pot is non-toxic and harmless. The roaster can roasting 3 different effect: light, medium, dark, with the help of adjustable temperature settings from 100 to 240 degrees centigrade and timer up to 30 minutes. Comes with a toughened glass lid which allows to see the beans getting roasted and keep a tab on the roasting effect. Put unroasted, green coffee beans on the hot plate of the roaster, then select the temperature as per roasting requirement, then adjust the timer, then roast the coffee beans. Then remove and allow the beans to cool down. Store the roasted beans in a jar. Comes with ceramic coated inner pan with a diameter of 283 mm and stainless steel blades. The temperature inside the coffee roaster reaches 200 or more degrees Celsius, which also increases the air pressure. It presses the walls of the coffee beans, and once it is high enough, the coffee beans start cracking. It has its own name, First Crack. This is the breakthrough in your coffee roasting process. Also great for a healthy snack, movie night, the big game or recipes including popcorn. Watch your popcorn popping for perfect results. Temperature-safe glass resists wear and tear and will not absorb acids or chemicals typically produced during use. Glass is made without BPA, hypoallergenic, and thermal shock resistant. Wide mouth design and ergonomic handle add versatility and ease of use. Product link is given in the 20th link. Thanks for watching.